Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install the requests module in Python on Mac. And before we begin installing it, we are going to check what is the version of Python that we are installing it in. So to do that, we are going to write Python 3 version. The version of Python installed on my Mac is Python 3.13.5 and this is the latest Python version available at the time of recording this video. You may have an older version of Python installed on your Mac, so you can either upgrade it to the latest version, that is Python 3.13.5, by watching the video in the I button, or you may choose to install the requests module in the version of Python you have. Choice is up to you. So let's begin installing the request module. The first thing that you need to do is open a terminal window like this. And how to open it? You press Command space and then type terminal over here. The moment it appears, you hit enter and your terminal window is going to open. For me, it is already open, so new terminal window didn't open for me. Now, we'll follow the right practice or the standard practice to install the requests module. We are just not going to install it right away. We'll first create a Python project folder. We will create a virtual environment in that project folder. We are going to activate it and then we are going to install the requests module because that's the right practice. Installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. This is what you should do when you are working in a team. So let's first create a Python project folder. And I'm going to create that Python project folder on my desktop. So let me go inside my desktop. To do that, I'm going to simply write cd desktop. And there you go. I am inside my desktop because I was already at my home location. Now I'm going to create a new Python project folder using the command mkdir. So let me name this Python project folder as requests install. I hit enter and there you go. You can see a folder has been created in the name of requests_install. Now I'm going to go inside this Python project folder, which is requests_install. And over here, we are going to create a new virtual environment. The command to create a Python virtual environment is very simple. All you need to do is type python 3 -m venv and the name of the virtual environment folder. Let's name it rec_venv. We hit enter. It's going to take some time, but if it doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. All right, there you go. No error. Let's see the virtual environment folder by typing ls-l. There you go. rec_venv. Now we are going to activate this virtual environment. To do that, we'll write source, the name of the virtual environment, which in our case is rec_venv /bin/activate. And we hit enter. And there you go. The virtual environment has become active. Now is the time to install the requests module, which we are going to do using pip. So we are going to write pip install requests. And we hit enter and you will see the installation has begun. And it got installed in a flash as well. Now a good practice is to deactivate the virtual environment. To do that, we'll write the command deactivate. We hit enter. There you go. The virtual environment is not active anymore. And we have successfully installed the requests module. But now we are going to check its successful installation by running a program. So let's do that. So we'll write a small program to test the successful installation of the requests module that is going to display a joke and a punchline. What is ironical here is we'll have to reactivate the virtual environment. So we'll have to write source rec_venv /bin/activate. Let's hit enter. There you go. The virtual environment has again become active. Now we are going to write Python 3 and hit enter to enter the Python prompt. Over here, we are going to first import the request module like this. Then we are going to write the code to hit the official joke API and bring in the response. And finally, we'll write this piece of code that is going to print the joke and its punchline if the status code of the response is 200, which is successful. Let's hit enter and check. The joke is, can a kangaroo jump higher than the Empire State Building? Of course, the Empire State Building can't jump. I don't know what was funny about it, but the good thing is that the requests module has been installed successfully in the virtual environment that we created. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the requests module in Python on Mac from this video of Joey's Take. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.